What? You're...
Yeah, I'm you. Look, I don't have much time. You need to listen to me.
Oh, I'm dreaming, aren't I?
Seriously, shut up. You're starting your media course out tomorrow, aren't you?
Yeah. Why?
Well, you don't get a good mark for your film, and it's because of technology.
Okay, but how do you know?
Because I've done it. I did it 3 months ago.
What happens? Or has happened?
I was a cameraman for most shots. I learned as I went along to record, zoom and focus. And once I figured out which button autofocus was, I didn't have to keep stopping filming and holding everything up because it was out of focus anymore. On iMovie, I learned how to use multicam, which enabled our flashbacks to work. I also learned how to cut shots and the importance of good sound. As the only dialogue in our film was a voiceover, I operated the camera to record Cameron's voice, which we later put over the corresponding scenes in the movie. We had to detach the audio from the clip because we only wanted the audio and not the blank screen.
What else do I learn?
Well, through research of script and shot and treatment writing, and writing all the drafts, I guess your production skills improve. The standard of the final script is much higher than the first, and in regards to script customs, and the dialogue has more ambiguity. I also thought harder and longer about the mise-en-scène, and the fact that every scene needs to have a core. In other words, start writing the scene based on what its purpose in the film is. At the start of the course, my shot listing was just to put interesting shots in just because they were interesting, whereas now I choose them because they connote things and enrich the audience's experience, rather than just, oh, there's a canted angle. Treatment writing is everything, and I mean everything you see, and is descriptive, but not too descriptive, with no dialogue at all. That's something which wasn't apparent to me at the beginning of the course. Anyway, I must tell you how to get a better mark. Although you figure out how to do a pull focus on the first day of shooting, you'll forget it, and then when the reshoots roll around, you'll need to do it again. But you leave it out because of the time constraints. Don't forget it, and if you do not leave it out. Research it. And don't shake the camera at any point. Use a Steadicam, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Also, I wish we mixed the film better and used a better camera than the one we used. Or at least a specialised voice recorder rather than the camera microphone, because a persistent noise comes across as amateurish and dampens the effect that we try to have in the audience. I have to go now. Just remember everything I've said and try and get a better mark.